Hello there, naughties! Today I will show you how to make these two beautiful patterns, except this is the same pattern. This looks like this on the back, and this looks like this on the back, but you can tie both of them from the front. Let me show you how. This pattern is actually nothing else but the square knot variation. And we will be tying the square knot around these two cords. These cords will be our working cords. I'll begin with this cord on the right. Bend it in front of the two non-working cords. The left three cords go over, behind, and through the loop. Now here you can tighten a little bit up so all the cords are not crossing and go straight across. Now we'll repeat the process from the left. The left cord goes in front of the two in the middle. The right three cords in front of the left, behind, and through the loop. Now again, make sure that they're all not crossing and go straight across, and repeat the process from the right and from the left. Again from the right. A little bit of fussing here, but that's okay. And from the left. I have a little crossing going on here. You see, if you cross your strands, you will have a bit of a mess. So make sure that they all go through without crossing. And what did I do here? Right. Right there. And here you have it. As I said, you might have a little bit of fussing around, but the pattern is really beautiful. And let me show you how to make this same pattern that looks like this on the back, but from the front. Again, we will be tying our knots around these two cords, except when last time I started from the right with one cord, I will be starting from the left with all three. So I cross the three cords in front of the two non-working cords. The right one goes in front of those, behind and through the loop. And repeat it from the right. Three cords go across, the left one goes up front and behind and through the loop. And you repeat it from the left now. All right, I guess you should get the gist by now. Repeat it again from the right. and from the left. And there you have it. A beautiful pattern that looks great from the front and from the back. And if you end up making your wall hangings with this pattern, please tag me so I can see your creations. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!